Hello. So we are back, and this time we have a Acer Nitro to repair. i5 and NVIDIA graphics. A classic one. Pressing the power button, dead, like usual. Let's read the customer email. So what the customer is saying, won't start even after a usual long press on power button, no power input showing power charging LED, getting correct 19 volts from the power supply, attempted some probing on the battery to check if the battery issue I can't get a voltage reading. But the bat connector has 9 pins, so not sure how this battery are wired. So I left it alone. Okay. So basically what we have a laptop with no power at all. Not even at the battery, which indicates a shortened main power rail. And we have no screws also. Shortened main power rail. It's more important than that is what is shorted. Yeah, that's a classic Acer Nitro board. And we have here, check here, yeah, we have first MOSFET, second MOSFET, current sensor. Let's check the main power rail, don't worry about the battery. Main power rail, shorted. We have like what? We have like 0.9, okay, that's bad. I don't think it's a capacitor. I think it's a shorted MOSFET. Let me take out the heatsink quickly to make some space. And the heatsink, it's out. Yeah, check the. You can see how much dust is on the heatsink? Yeah. That can explain. We need a power supply. We need 1 volt with some current. Then we have a ground, and we need a thermal camera. And we're gonna come with the current exactly here. And it's taking no current because we have no ground, right? Yeah. It's a dodgy ground. Okay, now it's taking like 1.9 amps, and what is getting hot? GPU or CPU? Place your bet. CPU. Yeah, CPU is gone, you can see. And the MOSFET, which is the MOSFET, is 1 second. Is this one actually? It's a DR MOS. This one. You can clearly see it's getting warm on the thermal camera. Yeah, that one. I think it's the second V core. Yeah, exactly that one. Let's remove that DR MOS quickly. Wait 1 second. What is at the pins? Huh? What is this? This is liquid. This is liquid damage. I can't believe. It's liquid damage. What you see here is liquid damage. Ha. We have a solder ball here. Not sure from where. So this laptop died because liquid damage. Wait a second. So actually you think, but it is shorted, right? I mean, let's check one more time. Main power rail, yeah, it's 0 ohms. It's shorted. It's shorted because the high side MOSFET is shorted. If the high side MOSFET is shorted, it's sending the input voltage or current to the output. That's why the CPU is getting hot under the thermal camera. And the DR MOS, it's out. Yeah, we can see it's liquid damage. You can clearly see. Let me clean it quickly. Clean, and it's looking good. The coil, the resistance of the coil is important. That it will decide the laptop repair. And the coil is like 1.1 ohm. Is shorted. Yeah, the CPU second V core is shorted. So the second V core It's not the second, it's the main one. Yeah. So you see all coils are together, including this coil. You can see it's the same track. So if the CPU is still good, it will work without this chip. We don't have a second V core because it's an i5 CPU. Good, so checking for short now. We are checking for short. It's not short. Let's put back the heatsink quickly. And the heatsink is back in place. The screen back in place. The battery. Let's plug a charger. We need the blue Acer, which is this one. 19 volts on the power supply. Plug in the charger. And it's taking some current. Yeah, 2.4 amps, you can see. Probably now we're gonna have the charging light. Yeah, pressing the power button and the laptop, it is coming on, you can see. Let's see what will happen. 3.3 amps. But you have a fixed amount of current. The current is not changing. That's mean a brain dead CPU. Nothing. So you see, the current is a fixed amount of current. CPU is dead. Sadly, is nothing what we can do. No. We have a nice laptop to repair. This is a Acer Nitro 5. The hinge definitely is gone. The problem with this one, pressing the power button, nothing happened. Let's check the customer email. Customer is a computer business. Salute, Sorin. Customer brought a Acer. Kids was playing game, no switching on at all, no lights, nothing. Try another charger, no lights coming up. And that's what we know about the laptop. So basically, the laptop is dead. Before we are plugging the power, let's open the laptop and let's have a look inside. And the laptop, it's open. Lol, so much dust. Always you'll see that gaming laptops, because something like that, like a lot of dust. Just think if the fan is like that, just think what is inside of the heatsink. Always the laptop, it will die. Let's check the main power rail. So the main power rail, is shorted, but yeah, like 0 ohms. Check that, 0.8 ohms. Quite bad, right? Yeah, let's take out the heatsink quickly. We'll try to find exactly what is shorted. Most likely a MOSFET, I will say. And the heatsink, it's out. So how we are finding what is the problem? Power supply, lowering the voltage to 1 volt. We need a ground. And we need a thermal camera. So we're gonna come with the current exactly on the main power rail here. And it's taking no current because I have a dodgy ground. Yeah. Okay, now the ground is fine. It's taking 2.8 amps, and what is getting hot? Or what is that? What is that? Here somewhere? It's a dodgy capacitor? No way. 1 second. Try to figure out where it is. It's exactly there. What? You know what? Based on how much dust it's inside of the fans, I will say this customer just dodged a bullet. I mean, I think it's this one. I think it's that one. But not sure. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come with some alcohol. Alcohol here. Good. So coming with current. So which capacitor is dodgy? The chip is dodgy. Which one it is? So with my other thermal camera, and we can see something is getting hot there. Let me pinpoint. Trying to pinpoint. Is the chip. Yeah, is the chip. It's the chip. It's actually a dual MOSFET. But it's a but there, yeah? You can't see the CPU getting hot. That means on this MOSFET, the high side and the low side MOSFETs are both shorted. Yeah? What do you think about that? I mean, I can be wrong, but let's take out the MOSFET. This is a small power supply, most likely the chipset, I think. I think it's the chipset. And the MOSFET, it's out. If the MOSFET is removed, yeah, what is the resistance we have on the coil? And on the coil we have 1 ohm. I can't believe, that's crazy. And that power rail is going, check that, is going to the CPU. No, this is not the chipset. 1 second, this is not the chipset. I mean, yeah, it is shorted, but it's not the chipset. The chipset is outside of the CPU. The solution. The solution is another MOSFET. Pretty sure the laptop, it will still be dead, but let's check for short. Do we still have short on the main power rail? Main power rail is not short, so the short has been removed. Let me find a dual MOSFET, because this is a dual MOSFET. Check there, dual MOSFET, huh? This one. And the MOSFET is out. And we're gonna solder the MOSFET here. Yeah. Let's solder the MOSFET. Good. Probably the internal graphics. CPU internal graphics. Power supply. Okay, so the MOSFET is soldered. Let's put back the heatsink. Now the laptop should charge and come on, because it's not short on the main power rail anymore. If it's working, we can pay attention to the, cleaning the heatsink. Really doubt that power line should not be like 1 ohm. So very possible that MOSFET it will get shorted again. And the heatsink is back in place. Great battery screen, actually, screen. Then the battery. This is the second Acer Nitro for today. And the battery is plugged in. Of course, CPU, shorter CPU MOSFETs, yeah. Let's plug the charger. So 19 volts. 19, a lot of current. Plug in the charger. And it's taking some current. Yeah, 1.6 amps, check that. So it's charging fine. Now pressing the power button, and the laptop it is coming on. You can see the laptop it's on. But it's a fixed amount of current, you can see that. Just forget about my power supply. It's beeping, it's disconnected because I don't have enough current. But it's a fixed amount of current. That means the CPU is brain dead. Yeah, nothing what we can do here. No, nothing. Caps lock, of course, is not working. No. Well, that CPU, what can I say? What can I say? Well, it is what it is. I'm really sorry I could not help this customer. But thank you for being here, and see you on the next one. Bye.